Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what is in this package because it was sent by this gentleman right here. So for any of you who have been watching for a little bit and you've known that I've kind of gone crazy with flashlights here lately, the flashlights that I've been interested in have, to my knowledge at the time, I had to order from places that would ship from China until I found this gentleman's store on eBay, and he actually ships from Hawaii and carried almost all of the flashlights that I was interested in. That includes, let's see here. I've got some, this is the MSR D4S V2, but I've got the short body on it. This is the Lumentop FW3. This is the FW3T. There's the FW3A, and this is the MSR D4 V2 in titanium. This also comes in aluminum. All of these awesome flashlights. They have rotating multicolored LEDs. Love that. There was another flashlight actually that I had picked up here recently that came in from, the place in China, but it can actually also be ordered here. And he had messaged me, Jackson Lee. He said, hey, I want to send you a model for free. It's just for you to check out. So thank you so much for providing this for review and just, for my entertainment and for everybody else's entertainment. That was really nice. Check out his store. It will be linked down in the description. In fact, my flashlights that I link in the normal description on every episode or every upload, they're linked to his store. His store is awesome, excellent customer service. He ships incredibly fast versus the other places that I was buying from. I think this took 4 days to get to me. That's awesome. Very, very cool. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, there's a link down in the description. Your support means the world to me, and please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, where's my scalpel? Scalpel. Where's the scalpel? There it is. Okay. Make a quick cut here. Real quick. We have some... What do we got here? Oh, man. Oh. Awesome. Thank you so much. That's so nice. I appreciate that. Island Princess, macadamia popcorn. I'm seriously going to tear into this. The moment that I'm so hungry right now, I decided to do one more video before lunch. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much. Very, very nice. I'll leave his information out here for you guys to see. All right. So this is the Noctigon KR4. You can see here we've got 500K on the emitter. And this is the one in black, which is the one that I requested. This runs on the Onduril user interface. Oh, very cool. Very cool. These come in a few different colors. I chose black. I'm going to bring this up just a bit so we can see what we're looking at here. But if I know these well, yeah. So these have the multicolored emitters, and you guys probably know this is something that I'm into right now. The black looks great. I'm definitely going to add. He was real nice, and he sent the stainless steel bezel, which I feel like makes these types of flashlights look a little bit better. And then he also sent the short tube to make this a little bit shorter, kind of like how I've got another one here, the D4 V2, which is also available on his shop. That's got a short body installed. All of the flashlights you've seen are available on his store. In fact, I'll show them all here in a second. But yeah, this is super cool. It's got the tail switch, so very bright. Holy moly. So these are extremely powerful flashlights. Very, very bright. And they're not expensive. The KR4. See, I actually ordered the KR4 in titanium before I found out about his store. This version is also available on the store. I want to say this guy's $40-50 and this guy's like $120. The only difference being just the fact that one is titanium and one is aluminum. The aluminum one is definitely lighter, so that's a huge benefit there. But very, very cool. Oh, and you sent the battery too for the small one. That's awesome. You can pick up the batteries there. I'll show all the flashlights that I picked up here recently that you can actually pick up on his store. This guy's normally much larger. It just has the shorter body. D4S V2, D4 V2 in titanium, FW3A in titanium. I'm amassing quite the flashlight collection at this point. But the cool thing is that all of these can be picked up at his store, all of them. And he ships from Hawaii, and he ships fast, and he's super nice. check out his store. It'll be linked right at the top of the description with this guy. In fact, I think I'll just leave links to all of these individually where you guys can check them out. All of them except for the FW3A or T in this case have the multicolor emitters, but they're all very powerful, between 3,000 and 4,500 lumens. These are awesome flashlights. And flashlights like this allow people to get into the high-end world of flashlights without having to, I mean, like, obviously, there are much more expensive flashlights that have much more, detail and complexity and then much more handwork, things like that. But if you like the idea of carrying like just a really cool EDC flashlight that has some of the functional elements and definitely the power elements of some of the really expensive flashlights, right? If you're on a budget and you want something cool like that, yeah, these are all awesome. And a lot of them actually, like in the case of the FW3, A are super customizable, right? I mean, even just from his store, like the different, parts that you can get between the different colored short bodies, and they've got like titanium and aluminum short bodies in the corresponding colors, right? I mean, it's cool. This stuff is interesting to me. I've really, really gotten into flashlights here lately, and I'm really happy that Jackson Lee's store exists. So it's an eBay store. Wonderful, excellent feedback. Buy with confidence. This is really cool stuff. Thank you so much for sending this. I'm going to have a lot of fun with this. And right off the bat, I appreciate the weight difference between this guy and this guy. The aluminum one is noticeably lighter, and it should be, obviously, for aluminum. But yeah, I'm a big fan of that right off the bat. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. Be sure to check out Jackson Lee's store. There you go. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives and EDC gear that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check them out. And if you enjoy all of my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.